How to withdraw money from Advcash to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw your funds from your Advcash account to your bank account. So for that, just simply open up your Advcash account, and after that you will be able to find the option to send funds at the top. Just simply click on it and then select the option of the bank, and now select the option of local bank transfer. After that, it will ask you to transfer details. You will need to provide all the details related to your account and yourself, and your personal details will be asked. So just provide all your personal details and also provide the details of your bank where you want to transfer the fund. After you provide all the details, you will have to agree with the terms and condition of Advcash. After that, just simply click on the option of transfer, and your funds should arrive in your bank account in 2 to 3 business days. So that's how you transfer the money from or withdraw the money from your Advcash to your bank account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.